Good morning, everyone. So today is gonna be an extra special day. It is Dom's birthday, so we're gonna be heading off to Disney's Vero Beach, which is a Disney Vacation Club resort. It's like an hour and a half outside of Disney. I've never been there before. I've heard incredible things. I'm super excited.
There we go. We got the shot. We're at Vero Beach.
Can we go? Welcome home. Dream is what we do best. Thank you for sharing in our dream.
Jared, bed test?
Oh.
Sounds like your old mattress.
It does.
Uh-oh. Parkour.
Oh my god.
But-
Look at this dumpster view.
Oh,
Look,
pure trash.
you gotta pay good money for that.
Oh, what did they give us?
Welcome home for your first visit. Aww.
Aww.
Oh, it says Vero Beach.
Whoa.
Vacation Club, Allison.
So Jared, explain to us why there are turtles everywhere. What goes on here at Vero Beach?
Mini sea turtles come and lay their eggs on the beach here every year. There's literally like thousands of nests. It's really cool.
We're gonna go downstairs to get something to eat. I'd eat that Wind Waves Market. Why, thank you. So they got Mickey pretzels even here. So our pager's waiting for food. Beach has a fun little fact. Florida beaches host 90% of the sea turtle nesting in the continental U.S. Well, Bridget, tell us about this ketchup sandwich that you eat, because I have no idea what you're talking about.
It's, a ketchup sandwich is 2 hamburger, well no, it's just like the top and bottom bun, and then ketchup in the middle. And you just eat it.
What? No, nobody does that.
I do it.
I had
My
a friend
sister
in,
does it.
I had a friend in middle school who did that.
It's like with Tom Hanks. You ever see the movie Terminal?
No.
So he's trapped in an airport terminal, so he gets like crackers and like makes a little sandwich with ketchup. With crackers.
Weird concept for me.
That is a very weird concept.
There's more to the movie, but that's what he does to survive and eat.
I promise ketchup sandwiches are good.
Alright, the pager's going off. This is literally the loudest pager I have ever heard.
So I got a grilled chicken sandwich with bacon on it, and you get the whoopie pie, and we do get a cast member discount here, 20%. This is what Bridget wants to look like after the trip. Quality.
Let me tell you, that was the best grilled chicken sandwich.
It was a very good chicken sandwich, a lot better than the other quick service ones I've had. Now it's time for this little bugger.
That's one of the best quick service meals I've ever had at Disney.
Dom, can you describe to us what a Visco girl is?
A Visco girl is a basic girl who loves to wear scrunchies on her wrists, take pictures of everything, wears pink dresses with leaves on it, has a monogram purse, sunglasses on their head.
This is gonna be way too close. I feel attacked.
And says both.
On that note, please enjoy some fine cartoons.
You have your little chance to watch your little cartoon. And the Island Grove is their little merch shop. Oh, it's them in the flesh.
No, you gotta get the...
Rose gold Crocs. Why do these exist?
Kevin!
Dom always likes to take the scenic route. Who are we with? Alright, so Patrick's dropped his glasses. Bridget's dropped her glasses. Who's next?
I first thought these are just like really muscular little men, like action figures, but it looks like they're turtles. I'll just need some checkers and it's Tom Sawyer's Island.
Or Cracker Barrel.
Yeah, let's say Cracker Barrel. Or a good southern chicken.
Silent night.
Wow, now that's a view. Here we go. Kermit hole. He winds up for the toss. Will he get it in? Oh! Oh! We got a leg in! It's like a little hot tub for him. Alley-oop him it. Yes! The hammock will come.
Oh my god, it's hot. It burns.
To the beach we go.
mesmerizing just looking at the ocean is.
And it does look like they have beach rentals, so if you forget your stop, you can just rent it. This wheelchair looks like a moon rover. Dom is very curious of what type of tree this is. If you know, let us know. Yeah, if that thing falls on your head, you're dead. So it looks like you can have your own cottage if you got the money. Jared's taking us to a super secret tunnel.
You can hear the music.
Aw, that's cute. So apparently there's a passageway that connects you to parking. What the heck? And they have Peter Pan characters. To the parking, they got tennis court, basketball courts, and a little treasure trail.
You know, Disney can do anything. They can make a creepy tunnel magical. Now we are off to their sit-down dining restaurant.
Wind and Waves Grill Market Bar.
That was long. That was too much.
She's gonna break. Oh, there's pure heaven right there. Cheers to the Vero Beach sunrise, aka Jungle Juice.
Oh yeah.
They got little corn muffins. Did you eat before Dom?
Wait, there's.
Is it all the same or are they different?
Alright, I'm actually gonna do the short rib pot roast, black truffle, mashed potatoes. I switched out the carrots for fries, judge me. Haircut verts was just green beans with a cabernet gravy. And there's the short rib. Let's see how tender it is. Oh yes. Look at that. They all got the swordfish. Now Jared never ventures outside of mac and cheese and nuggets. But today he's becoming a new man.
We'll see.
Do you know how to eat fish?
Do you know how to eat fish? I assume it's like eating other things.
Yeah.
You just put it in your mouth.
Put it in your mouth and you chew. Then you swallow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dominic. Happy birthday to you.
I'm really close to your face.
Wow. Woo. We have the s'mores tart
really
right
good.
there. Okay, there's the inside of it.
So it's like they put smoke over it, and it just kind of tastes like chocolate.
We used the coupon, Jerry. What happened?
Well, we don't know yet. We don't know yet.
Yeah, we
We
stand
painted
by.
this.
It's your boy chilling at the beach, you know. You ready?
Alright, so the food was really good. The dessert, not my favorite dessert I've ever eaten at Disney, but our server Lisa was incredible.
It's dark outside and there's a Mickey and Donald creeping on us. Not scary at all. Dom said they had these special orange lights because the normal white lights would draw the sea turtles away from the ocean. They're all freaking out because they can see the stars.
But since Jared and I are from the country, we're used to seeing the stars all the time.
I mean, I can't see them anymore because you're shining a light in my face.
How about now?
It's beautiful. I've never seen this many stars before.
What'd you just say?
I saw a UFO.
Oh really? Where?
This is gonna make me sound crazy.
You know, you're not crazy
I was
at all.
sitting on the Polynesian beach and I looked to my left and there's a Grand Floridian and like this green thing shot through the sky, but I wasn't the only one that saw it. Other people saw
Was it Tinkerbell coming from the castle?
And I looked over.
I saw the whole thing.
No, listen, it's real, I promise. I don't know what it was, but it was not a shooting star.
Did you hear? Welcome home. And shook you like a dog.
Early the next morning.
Yes.
We're putt-putting and we've been giving the mini children one. We have here in the wild a rare, venomous rubber sea urchin. Oh yes, still alive. Now putt-putt is free for cast members. With Patrick in the background looking like a snowman.
Pull it in.
There we go.
And it comes back out.
All right, Gary.
Last place with the total of 37K.
Oh.
Me, yay!
In a tie
Uh-oh.
for third place with the score of 34. D and B.
Dom and Bridget.
Oh, man.
One stroke separated first place.
Oh. Did the lucky towel help out?
I hope it was the lucky towel. In first place with a score of 28. P.
Oh.
this one-of-a-kind, super awesome trophy.
Oh!
Hopefully I can fall back in favor with my parents. Maybe I didn't peak in high school. This is the happiest day of my life. It's all downhill from here.
Jared, that could have been you.
Wow,
You're
I
one
know,
stroke
jeez.
away from a trophy.
Oh, Patrick earned it. He got it.
I don't have to sit in the back on the way home now.
Alright, for brunch, we're back here. I think I'm gonna get the chocolate salted cookie cupcake. I dropped it. I was gonna show you how beautiful the presentation of the grilled mahi mahi tacos are.
This is where we are with the table cupcake. I scraped off the table part. Cupcake part, really, really good. Doesn't taste like one of those normal Disney park cupcakes. They're all dense. This tastes like your grandma made it at home and said, Kevin, eat 1,000 calories on one cupcake. This mahi mahi almost tastes like a restaurant, like not a quick service. Such an incredible lunch. Now it's time to see the ocean just one more time before we go.
Bye-bye, Vero. I'll miss you.
Now guys, let's talk about Vero Beach for a second. Oh my gosh, that trip. We only stayed there one night. The food was amazing. The cast members, every single one deserves a legacy award. They've all been there since like the opening. Each cast member's service pin was for like 10 or 15 years. They truly made sure we had a magical experience. We did go during the slow season, so we didn't get to experience everything at the resort. Now, I'm giving Vero Beach a 10 out of 10. Like, it's something very, very different than what you're used to at the parks, but it's only an hour and a half away from Disney World. So if any of you have a chance, come stay at Vero Beach. Oh, I can't wait to go back. So to end the video, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite clips of Jared trying to golf.
He goes for part 2. You know what? He's created a party back there. Tell me this is not the largest bunny you have ever seen.